I welcome you to Mathematics Immunity. Last week we started with the circle, and today we continue on the circle, and the subtopic is the general equation of a circle. Recall that the equation of a circle with center a, b and radius r is given as x minus a bracket square plus y minus b bracket 2 is equals to r squared. If you expand this, you have x minus a times x minus a plus y minus b times y minus b is equals to r squared. X times x, x squared, x times minus a ax, minus a times x minus ax, minus a times minus a plus a squared, plus y times y squared, y times minus b minus by, minus b times y minus by, minus b times minus b plus b squared is equals to r squared. So x squared minus ax minus as will give you minus 2ax plus a squared plus y squared minus by will give you minus 2by plus b squared is equals to r squared. So x squared plus y squared minus 2. We have x squared plus y squared minus 2ax minus 2by plus a squared plus b squared. Bring your r squared here, you have minus r squared is equals to 0. So x squared plus y squared minus 2ax minus 2by plus a squared plus b squared minus r squared is 0. Now a is equals to minus g and b is minus f, and you also have that c will be a squared plus b squared minus r squared. Now when you substitute this into the equation, you have x squared plus y squared, you have minus 2, a is minus g, so you have minus g times x, minus 2b, that's minus 2 times b is minus f y, plus a squared plus b squared minus r squared will give you c. Let it be c is equal to 0. So x squared plus y squared minus 2 times minus gx will give you plus 2gx minus 2 times minus fy will give you plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of a circle. And when you study this equation, you realize that the coefficient of x squared and y squared are always the same if it is actually the equation of a circle. Example 1 and example 2. The solution to example 1. Number 1. Find the general equation of a circle, center 1, 4 and radius 3 units. Find the general equation of a circle. Now this is your center 1, 4. That means a is 1 and b is 4, and your radius is 3 units. So recall that general equation of a circle is x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared is equals to r squared. So we have x minus a is 1 all squared plus y minus b is 4 all squared is equals to r is 3 squared. So we expand this, we have x minus 1 times x minus 1 in 2 places plus y minus 4 squared, that will be y minus 4 times y minus 4 is equals to 3 squared, which is 9. So x times x is x squared, x times minus 1 minus x, minus 1 times x minus x, minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1, plus y times y squared, y times minus 4 y, minus 4 times y, minus 4y, minus 4 times minus 4 is plus 16, and bring 9 to this side, minus 9 is equals to 0. So x squared minus x, minus 2x plus 1 plus y squared minus 4y is minus 8y plus 16 minus 9 will give you 7. So it's equal to 0. So x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 8y plus 1 plus 7 is 0. So x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 8y plus 8 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Example 2 says, find the center and radius of a circle whose equation is given as this. Find the center. The center is a comma b, but take note that a is equals to minus g and b is minus f. So, and the radius. So your radius, you're looking for radius. So see, this is general, this equation of the circle. We write the second format of general equation of the circle. That is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now you compare these two equations, you see that the coefficient of x squared 1, 1, here is also 1, 1. So the coefficient of x is minus 6 and the coefficient of x is 2g. Therefore, 2g is equals to minus 6 divided by 2. So we have that g is minus 3. But remember that a is minus g, so that means that a is equals to minus and g is minus 3, so a is plus 3. Also, the coefficient of y is 4 and the coefficient of y is 2f. Therefore, 2f is 4. Divide both sides by 2, f is 2. But remember that your b is minus f, which is minus 2. So a is 3 and b is minus 2. And when you compare this, the constant c is minus 3, c is minus 3. But the formula of c is a squared plus b squared minus r squared. So this is, and c is minus 3, a is 3. So we have 3 squared plus b is minus 2 all squared minus r squared. Now we can get our radius. So minus 3 is equal to 3 squared, 9 plus minus 2 squared is 4 minus r squared. Bring minus r squared here. You have plus r squared is equals to 9 plus 4 minus 3 comes as plus 3. So 9 plus 4 plus 3 gives 16. So r squared is 16. R is square root of 16. Therefore, r is 4 units. So the question says find the center and radius of a circle. So the center is CA, B, which is equals to, your A is 3 and B is minus 2, and you have your radius 4 units. Example 3. Find the equation of the circumcircle of the triangle whose vertices are A, B, and C. When you say circumcircle of a triangle, that means your triangle is inscribed in a circle. Your triangle is inscribed in a circle. So this coordinate point here is A. Let's say A 2, 3. Now let's say this place is B, and B is 5, 4, and C is 3, 7. Now to get the equation of this circle, what we are going to do is we'll try to write the general equation of the circle: x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So we say for point A, that is 2, 3, it implies that x is 2 and y is 3. Substitute to the general equation. So we have 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 2g times x. X is 2 plus 2f times y. Y is 3 plus c is 0. 2 squared is 4 plus 3 squared is 9 plus 2 times 2, that's 4g plus 2 times 3, 6f plus c is equals to 0. So we have that 13 plus 4g plus 6f plus c is 0. So this is equation 1. Then for point B, as for point B, which is 5, 4, it implies that x is 5 and y is 4. Substitute to the general equation of the circle. So we have 5 squared plus y squared, that's 4 squared, plus 2gx, that's 2 times g, and x is 5, plus 2fy, that's 2f, y is 4, plus c is 0. 5 squared is 25, plus 4 squared 16, plus 2 times 5, 10g, plus 2 times 4, 8f, plus c is equals to 0. So 25 plus 16, that is 25 plus 16, 6 plus 5, 11, carry 1, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 41. So we have that 10g, this 10g, plus 8f plus 41 plus c is equal to 0. This is your equation 2. And for point C, 3, 7, that means that x is 3 and y is 7. Substitute to the general equation of a circle. X squared, that's 3 squared, plus y squared, which is 7 squared, plus 2gx. X is 3 plus 2fy, that's 2f, y is 7, plus c is 0. 3 squared is 9, plus 7 squared is 49, plus 2 times 3, that is 6g, plus 2 times 7 is 14f, plus c is equals to 0. So 49 plus 9, 9 plus 9, 18, carry 1, that's 58. So we have 58 plus 6g plus 14f plus c is equals to 0. This is equation 3. So we now have 3 simultaneous equations. You can solve with your matrices, but I'll be solving by the normal elimination method. So by elimination method, why am I using elimination method and not substitution method? The coefficient of c is 1, 1, 1. So I want to eliminate c. So I'll be having 2 unknowns. This is 3 unknowns in 3 equations. So I can easily eliminate c and have 2 unknowns. That's g and f. So I can decide what I want. Equation 3 minus 1. Equation 3 minus equation 1. So that's 6g minus 4g gives 2g. 4f minus 6f is plus 8f. Then c minus c is 0. Then, as I said, c minus c is 0. Then we have 58 minus 13. We can write it 58 minus 13, that is 0. So 58 minus 13, 8 minus 3, 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. So we have 2g plus 8f plus 45 is equal to 0. This is a new equation 4. And now I need another equation having 2 unknown. So I'm going to say equation 3 minus 2 now. So state your work. Equation 3 minus equation 2. 6 minus, okay, let me take equation 2. You can take any equation. Let me take equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. You can take any equation. So 10 minus 4 will give you 6g. 8f minus 6f gives you 2f. C minus c, 0, that will be eliminated. Then you have 41 minus 13. Plus 41 minus 13 is equal to 0. 41 minus 13, borrow 1. 11 minus 3, that will give you 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 6g plus 2f plus 28 is equal to 0. A new equation 5. I'll be solving equations 4 and equations 5 simultaneously. This is equation 4. So by elimination method, if you multiply equation 4 by 3, you make g 6. You can eliminate g. So we state your work. Equation 4 times 3. 3 times 2, that's 6g, plus 3 times 8 is 24f, plus 3 times 45. 3 times 5 is 15, carry 1. 3 times 4, 12 plus 1, 13 is equal to 0. This is a new equation 6. So I'll be solving equation 6 now and 5. So equation 5 says 6g plus 2f plus 28 is equal to 0. Equation 5. And equation 6, 6g plus 24f plus 135 is 0, equation 6. By subtraction, I will eliminate g. So I will decide what I want. Equation 6 minus equation 5. 6g minus 6g, 0, that be eliminated. 24f minus 2f give you 22f plus 135 minus 28. 135 minus 28. 15 minus 8 is 7. 2 minus 2, 0, 1. So that is 107 is equal to 0. So 22f is minus 107. Therefore, f is minus 107 over 22. To get g, you substitute into equation. You can use 5, you can use 6. Equation 5. 5 looks simpler because of 28 is smaller than 135. So 6g plus 2f plus 28 is 0. 6g plus 2, f is minus 107 over 22 plus 28 is 0. 6g plus 2 here 1, 2 here 11, that's plus minus 1 over 7 over 11 plus 28 is equals to 0. So I can decide that 6g, let me find the LCM. There are many ways you can do it. So now let me decide that 6g over 1. So we said 6g is equal to minus 107 over 11 comes here. You have 107 over 11 minus 28. This is fraction. You express it as fraction. And you calculate, find the LCM. The LCM is 11. 11 here is 1 times this, 107 minus 1 here, 11. 11 times 28. When you are multiplying 28 by 11 by 2-digit number, so 2 plus 8, that's 10. Write the 0 and carry 1. Add 1 to 2 gives you 3. I come again. When you're multiplying 2-digit number by 11, so just add the digits together and put the answer in the middle. But if the answer is more than 10, 10 or more, you carry. So 2 plus 8 is 10. 0 carry 1. Add it here, so you have 3, 0, 8. Let's check. 28 times 11, 1 times 8, 8, 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 8, 8, 1 times 2, 2. We have 8, 0, and 3. So that's 3, 0, 8. So minus 107, 8 minus 7 is 1, 0, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 6g is, this is smaller than this, so we have minus 201 over 11. Multiply both sides by 1 over 6, both sides by 1 over 6. So therefore, g is minus 201 over 6. But I also realized that 3 is a common factor here. If you want to know if a whole number is divisible by 3, when you add the digits together, it gives you a number, a multiple of 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 here is 2. 3 in 20 is 6. That's 18. Meant that 2. 3 in 21 is 7. So we have that g is equals to minus 67 over 11 times 2. That's 22. Now we have recorded that f is this and g is this. Now we need to calculate the value of c. So you can substitute any of these two f and g into any of the 3 equations. So I want to use equation 1, substitute into equation 1. That is 4g plus 6f plus c plus 13 is 0. 4 times g. G is minus 67 over 22 plus 6f minus 107 over 22 plus 13 is 0. So 2 here 11, 2 here is 2. 2 times 7, 14 carry 1. 2 times 6, 12 plus 1, 13. That is minus this over 11. This is minus, minus you overcome plus, you have minus. 2 here 3, 2 here 11. 3 times 7 is 21, 1 carry 2. 3 times 0, 0 plus 2, 2. 3 times 1 is 3 over 11 plus 13. Now we have plus c in the formula, plus c, plus c, plus c is 0. So now c will now be, bring this one here, becomes 134 over 11 plus 321 over 11 minus 13 over 1. So the LCM is 11. 11 here is 1. 1 times 134, 134 plus 11 here 1. 1 times 321, 321 minus 1 here 11. 11 times 13, 13 times 11. The logic we did the other time, 1 plus 3 is 4 when you are multiplying two-digit number by 11. So that is 143, 143. So 134 plus 321. 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 1 plus 3 is 4. Then subtract 143. 5 minus 3 is 2, 5 minus 4 is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. So we have 312 over 11. So C is 312 over 11. Now to get the equation of the circle, we have x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is 0. So x squared plus y squared plus 2g, g is minus 67 over 22x plus 2f minus 107 over 22 times y plus c 312 over 11 is 0. So x squared plus y squared minus over power plus minus 2 here 11, that's 67 over 11x minus over power plus minus 2 here 11, that'll be 107 over 11y plus 312 over 11 is equal to 0. To make this whole number, you multiply equation, multiply through by 11. So 11 times this, 11x squared plus 11y squared. Multiply by 11, you have minus 67x. Multiply by 11, you have minus 107y. Plus multiply by 11, we have 312. And 11 times 0 gives you 0. This is the equation of that circle. You can see the coefficient of x squared and y squared. They are the same. The circle passing through these 3 points. Now I will draw my Cartesian plane. So Cartesian plane, the y-axis and the x-axis. This is the origin 0. Now the values of x are 3, 4, and minus 6. 3, 4. So we have 2 and 4. I'm taking 2 units now. 3, 4, and minus 6. So we have minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. For y, we have minus 2, 5, and minus 3. Minus 2, minus 4, and we have 5. So I'll have 2, 4, 6. I'm using 2 units. So when I'll label this A, B, and C. So when x is 3, y is minus 2. When x is 3, 3 will be here. Y is minus 2. You trace it down. So let's call that place point A. That is 3, minus 2. When x is 4, y is 5. You trace it. This is 5. Trace it up. When x is 4, is 5. I call it coordinate point B. That is 4, 5. And when x is minus 6, y is minus 3. This is minus 3. Trace it down. So we have it this way. So I call it C. That is, the coordinate point is minus 6, minus 3. So your circle is passing through these 3 points. So you draw your circle along this way. So you join it this way. Where is this? So it comes this way. So it comes this way. So assuming it's a perfect circle. Now it implies that this coordinate point, when you join A to B, and you join B to C, and join C to A. Now that means that this question is circle of triangle. So the triangle is inscribed there. So we start by saying for point A, which is 3, minus 2. So x is 3 and y is minus 2. So x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy is plus c is 0. So x is 3, 3 squared plus minus 2 all squared plus 2gx is 3 plus 2fy is minus 2 plus c is 0. 3 squared is 9 minus 2 squared is plus 4 plus 2 times 3 is 6g minus 4f plus c is 0. So we have 6g minus 4f plus c plus 9 plus 4 is 13 is equal to 0, equation 1. So for point B, we have that 4, 5. So that means x is 4 and y is 5. Substitute into the general equation of a circle. S is 4, that is 4 squared, plus y is 5 squared, plus 2g, s is 4, plus 2fy, y is 5, plus c is 0. 4 squared is 16, plus 25, plus 2 times 4, 8g, plus 2 times 5, 10f, plus c is 0. So we have that 8g plus 10f plus c plus 16 plus 25 is 41 is equals to 0, equation 2. And for point C, C says minus 6 minus 3. That means that x is minus 6 and y is minus 3. So we have that x squared, that is minus 6 squared, plus y squared minus 3 squared, plus 2gx. 2gx is minus 6 plus 2fy minus 3 plus c is 0. This is 36 plus 9 minus 12g minus 6f plus c is 0. So we have that minus 12g minus 6f plus c plus 9 plus 6, 15, that's 45. 36 plus 9 is 45 is equal to 0, equation 3. Now we have three simultaneous equations like when we did in example 3. So now I'm going to decide what I want to do. Now let's say equation 2 minus 1. When I subtract that, I'll be able to eliminate c. So equation 2, 8g minus 6g is 2g. 10f minus, that is plus 10f minus, this is minus 4f. Then c minus c 0. Then you have 41 minus 13 is 0. So 2g plus 10f minus is plus 4f plus 41 minus 13. 11 minus 3 will give you 8, and 3 minus 1 will give you 2. That's 28 is equal to 0. So 2g plus 10f plus 4f is 14f plus 28 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Now I want to also say equation 3 minus 1. You can use any equation of your choice. You can subtract any equation of your choice. So minus 12g minus 6g will give you minus 18g, minus 6f minus 4 minus 6f minus 4f, then c minus c 0, then 45 minus 13 is 0. So we have minus 18g minus 6f, minus is plus 4f, then 45 minus 13, 5 minus 3 is 2, 4 minus 45 minus 13, 5 minus 3, 2, 4 minus 1 is 3, that is plus 32 is 0. So minus 18g minus 6f plus 4, that's minus 2f plus 32 is equals to 0. This is in another equation. Now this equation should be equation 4 and this should be equation 5. So I'll be solving equations 4 and 5 simultaneously. So we have 2g plus 14f plus 28 is equal to 0, equation 4. Now if I multiply f by 7, equation 5 by 7, it will be 14, I will eliminate f. So equation 5 multiplied by 7, so 7 times minus 18, 7 times 8, 56, carry 5, 7 times 1, 7, plus 5, 12. That's minus 126g, minus 126g. Then 7 times minus 2, that's minus 14f, plus 7 times 32. 32 times 7, 7 times 2, 14, carry 1, 7 times 3, 21, plus 122. That's 224 is equals to 0. So that is now another new equation 6. So I'll be solving equation 4 and 6 together. Equation 4 says 2g plus 14f plus 28 is 0, equation 4. By addition, I will eliminate f. So equation 6 plus 4. When you add this together, you have minus 124g. 14, this gives you 0, plus 4 plus 8, 12, 2 carry 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. And you have 2 is equals to 0. So now 252 is equals to, bring this here, you have 124g. To get g, divide both sides by 124. 124. So I want to check. Therefore, g is equals to 252 over 124. I want to check if 3 can divide this. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. 3 can go into this. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 cannot go. I can use 2. 2 here, 1, 2 in 5, 2, remainder 1, 2 in 12, 6, over 2 here, 6, and 2 here is 2. So we have 2 in 12, 6, 2 here is 3, over 2 here is 3, and 2 here is 1. Therefore, G is 63 over 31. To get F, you substitute now, substitute into any of these equations, 6 or 4. Let's use 4 into equation 4. So equation 4 says 2g plus 14f plus 28 is 0. Then 2 times g is 63 over 31 plus 14f plus 28 is 0. So 2 times 3 will give you 6, and 2 times 6 will give you 12 over 31 plus 14f plus 28 is equals to 0. So 14f is equals to minus 126 over 31 minus 28 over 1. Now the LCM here is 31. 31 here is 1. 1 times this minus 126. 1 here 31. 31 times 28. So we can have 31 times 28. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2, 24. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So that is, so 31 times 28, we got 868. So that's minus 868. 868 plus 126. 8 plus 6, 14, carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. So 14f is minus 994 over 31. Now multiply both sides by 1 over 14. 1 over 14. So we have that f is equals to minus 2 here, 7, 2 in 9, that's 4 remainder 1, 2 in 19, 9, that's 18 remainder 1, 2 in 14, 7, 7 here, 7, 7 here, 1, minus 71 over 31. Now we have 1 over 31. Now we substitute g and f into any of the equations to get c. So I'm using equation 1. So it's 6g minus 4f plus c plus 13 is 0. So 6 times g. G is 63 over 31 minus 4f. F is minus 71 over 31 plus c plus 13 is 0. So from here now, 6 times 3, 18, carry 1. 6 times 6, 36 plus 1, 37 over 31. Minus times minus is plus. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28 over 31 plus 13 plus c is equals to 0. So we have that. Now the LCM here is 31. 31 here 1 times this 378 plus 31 here 1, 284 plus 1 is 31 times 13. 31 times 13, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 3, 9, 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 3, 3. That's 3, 0, and 4. So we have 403. So 403 plus 284 plus 378. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 3, 15, carry 1. 8 plus 7 is 15 plus 1, 16, 6 carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5, plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. So we have plus c is 0. This is 1065 over 31 plus c is 0. Therefore, c is minus 1065 over 31. The equation of a circle s squared plus y squared is separate, plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is 0. X squared plus y squared plus 2g is 63 over 31. times x plus 2f is minus 71 over 31 plus c is minus 1065 over 31 is equal to 0. So x squared plus y squared, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 6 12, plus 126 over 31, x, plus times minus is minus, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 7 is 14 over 31 minus 1065 over 31 is equal to 0. Multiply through by 31. So we have 31x squared plus 31y squared plus 126x minus 142y. That's y here. 142 over 31y minus 1065 over 31 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. You can see that the coefficients of x squared and y squared, they are equal. That's how the equation of the circle is. Now these are the practice questions. Number 1, determine which of the following curves are circles. X squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. B, 2x squared plus 3y squared minus x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. C, 2x squared plus 2y squared minus 3x plus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. And number 2 says, find the centers and radii of the following circles. A, x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 8y plus 5 is 0. And B, 5x squared plus 5y squared minus 3x plus 7y minus 1 is 0. And C, 2x squared plus 2y squared minus x plus y minus 3 is 0. Number 3 says, find the equation of the circle that passes through the points 0, 0, 2, 0, and 3, minus 3. And number 4, find the equation of the circle with center 3, 7 and circumference 8 pi units. Now you can go to the YouTube platform and make comments there. I need feedback from you. And if you have personal questions for me, this is my email account, alberttoba2020@gmail.com. Please go to the platform and click on the subscribe button to subscribe. See you in the next class.